Check. Check, check. 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 Mic test, testing, 1, 2, 3, check. 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 Mic test, testing, 1, 2, 3, check. $11.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. We're gonna play today, probably after. We're just waiting for the presentation of AMD. If you guys want to join, we're gonna be watching AMD's presentation, and then we'll try to talk about it. I don't know if you guys are planning to get any of the new video cards that are coming out, but I am I've been waiting for this to launch for a while now. So today they're gonna launch in about 60 seconds, so we're gonna be watching it. Then we'll comment and see what happens. Oof, I couldn't hear you. Can you hear me right now? I was in Discord on my group. Listen to found. What's up, Alpha? Yeah, they're about to go live, so we'll check it out once they go live. I don't know. This is also a test stream. Because I'm checking out if my computer is functioning well and that we could actually stream. So I'm not streaming any games right now, but we will be watching a presentation by Lisa Su, AMD CEO. I always can hear you. Nice. I'm in band class right now. Oh, dang. That would be fun. Okay. They're about to start. This premiere will begin shortly. It's called the Where Gaming Begins. It's the 6000 series of graphics card. So we'll see how it looks like. I'm gonna turn off the music so that we could listen to everything that they're talking about once it starts. Then you guys, of course, will be seeing it on stream as well. I probably will mute myself, of course. Yep. Okay. Fine. Now, is it lagging for you guys? Okay, there we go. They're about to start, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate everything. I'm gonna turn off our music. Okay, this might take a while. Still 1 minute. Is everything sounding good for you guys? I don't know if it is. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's sounding okay. What's up, Zed? Hey, Night. What's up? We're not playing today. We're just gonna watch a presentation by AMD. They're gonna release their new cards. So yeah, here it is. What's up, Zed? Okay, here we go. 10 seconds. Alright, it's about to start. Let's go.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today for this second half of our next-gen PC platform launch. I loved seeing all of your excitement when we introduced the Ryzen 5000 series a few weeks ago. It was actually the most watched launch video in AMD history. And I must say, we're very proud of what Zen 3 brings to gamers. But today is all about Big Navi. I'm really excited to show you the new RDNA 2 architecture and our full stack of Radeon RX 6000 series products. As you know, we brought the first generation of RDNA architecture to market in 2019 with the Radeon RX 5700 XT. And with the combined launch of the 5700 XT and the Ryzen 3000 series, AMD became the first company to introduce a high-performance CPU and GPU together. And we delivered a winning combination of computing and gaming performance, including CPU and GPU of the year in 2019 from PC Gamer. Now, 2020 is really the year of the gamer. I know many of you can't wait to get your hands on the next-gen consoles. Whether it's the Microsoft Xbox Series X and Series S or the Sony PlayStation 5, we are so proud that AMD is enabling these incredible gaming experiences, which is why we like to say that AMD is where gaming begins. Now, earlier this month, I showed you our new AMD Ryzen 5000 series, the world's best gaming processor. Our next-gen Ryzen processor combines absolute performance leadership in single-threaded performance, gaming, and creative workloads with leadership performance per watt. And for millions of you, it's a drop-in upgrade to your existing AM4 motherboard. Now, as successful as we've been with Ryzen, many of you have asked us to compete at the highest end of gaming GPUs as well. And today, we're ready to show you exactly what we've been working on. I'm so excited to show you the Radeon RX 6000 series. It's absolutely the most powerful gaming GPU we've ever built. I think you'll be pretty pleased with what you see. I often talk about the fact that we're on a journey, and we are on a journey. Just like with our Zen CPU architecture, we're on a multi-year journey in GPUs with our RDNA architecture. We designed RDNA specifically for gaming, and our first-gen RDNA products delivered 50% better performance per watt over our GCN architecture. We wanted to take another big step with RDNA 2 and deliver another 50% generational improvement in perf per watt. And with RDNA 2, we also set the very ambitious goal to deliver leadership gaming performance. And now I'm very happy to show you for the first time, Big Navi. This is the chip at the heart of our high-end Radeon RX 6000 series. 26.8 billion transistors built with leading-edge 7-nanometer process technology. Big Navi is our first product powered by RDNA 2. We have made incredible progress on the architectural front. And now let me turn it over to AMD fellow Laura Smith to give you more details on the architecture.
Thank you, Lisa. Our graphics architecture roadmap has a clear goal: gaming leadership across the ecosystem. The GCN was a great architecture, but we knew we needed to rethink graphics and build the best engine for the future. We wanted to build a set of technologies that game developers could use across all platforms. The first major step was RDNA, introduced last year. RDNA was a new architecture and used a 7-nanometer process node, which helped us with the large initial gains. We committed to you that our engineers had plans in the works for RDNA 2, and we would be back quickly with another significant improvement. By combining our expertise in CPU design, deep gaming history, and broad ecosystem partnerships, RDNA 2 is built to be the gaming architecture for all gamers across console, PC, and beyond. We had some very ambitious goals with RDNA 2. Significantly higher performance, 50% improvement in performance per watt, and new hardware features. Individually, each of these goals is challenging. When combined, they become extremely difficult because as you push performance, a natural side effect is more power. New features also mean more computation, further challenging both speed and power metrics. For RDNA 2, we made significant gains in all these areas. The compute unit is the core of the architecture. We advanced all aspects of the compute unit design, leveraging techniques first developed in CPUs. We deployed pervasive fine-grained clock gating, reimagined the pipeline to aggressively maximize performance while minimizing data movement. In combination, these elements made the compute units 30% more energy efficient, allowing them to be pushed faster. Gaming at 4K requires more data to be brought into the chip. The amount of data more than doubles as we move from 1440p to 4K. The more efficient the memory subsystem is, the higher fidelity the images are, and the more you can push the frame rates. We took a new approach to solving this technical challenge for gaming and deployed a graphics-optimized, high-density, high-speed cache based on the Zen L3 cache. We call this the Infinity Cache. The Infinity Cache minimizes DRAM bottlenecks, latencies, and power consumption. Our specialized Infinity Cache, combined with a 256-bit G6 interface, delivers more than twice the effective bandwidth of a traditional 384-bit G6 solution and at lower power consumption. High frequency is important for gaming performance. RDNA 2 is built with custom libraries and high-speed design flows, maximizing frequency in 7 nanometer. With RDNA 2, our silicon design and architectural improvements, we are able to deliver 30% faster frequencies in the same 7 nanometer process node. Pulling all this together, the RDNA 2 architecture beats our aggressive performance per watt goal, achieving 54%. With RDNA 2, we also focused on bringing new hardware features into the architecture. We partnered closely with Microsoft on DirectX 12 Ultimate features, including DirectX ray tracing, variable rate shading, mesh shaders, and sampler feedback. RDNA 2 will also support Microsoft Direct Storage API. We're excited about this new API that will enhance the gaming experience by significantly reducing game asset load times from large SSDs. We compared the performance of RDNA 2 to our prior generation, and when we put it all together, on average, RDNA 2 delivers double the performance and with great power efficiency. We are so proud of what we've accomplished with RDNA 2, and we are not stopping. The team is executing to plan, RDNA 2 is here, and the RDNA 3 team is well into execution. Let me welcome Scott Herkelman to show RDNA 2 in our new RX 6000 series products.
Hello to all of the gamers tuning in, and welcome to our Radeon RX 6000 series product reveal. As a hardcore League of Legends and Borderlands 3 player and playing these games on our RX 6000 series over the past few weeks, I'm so excited and proud to be here with you today. Allow me to introduce you to our brand new AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT graphics card. The 6800 XT is purposefully designed to play all of your favorite AAA games at 4K and below resolutions, and at the highest quality settings available. It comes with 72 compute units and runs with a game clock of over 2 gigahertz. This card features a 2.25 gigahertz boost clock that pushes some of the highest frequencies we've ever achieved, all thanks to the incredible work done by our engineering team on the RDNA 2 architecture. The 6800 XT will also feature 128 megabytes of Infinity Cache that is power efficient while driving the bandwidth needed for high-resolution gaming. Paired with 16 gigabytes of blazing fast GDDR6 memory, you'll be ready for the most demanding high-resolution games that you want to play. And we've delivered all of this incredible performance with a total board power of just 300 watts. As you can see, the 6800 XT not only delivers on 4K 60 frames per second, but in most cases, it overperforms. We've been maxing out all the settings in games like Battlefield 5, Borderlands 3, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and the performance has just been awesome to experience. Let's take a look at how the 6800 XT competes head-to-head against the latest offering from the competition. Here, we compare their best API scores to our best API scores, the best versus the best. And as you can see, the 6800 XT trades blows and has some significant wins across a variety of titles. And it does all of this at less power consumption than the competition. For the 1440p gamers out there, we have some great results for you too. Over the last several years, more and more gamers have adopted 1440p monitors as their display of choice. Here are the same games we showed you before, running the same best versus best API scenario at 1440p resolution. I personally love seeing so many games running at over 100 frames per second with all of the settings maxed out. This is just an incredible amount of performance. All in all, the 6800 XT is a fantastic choice for enthusiast gamers. We even have more performance we are delivering with two very cool features. The first is a one-click overclocking button we've built into our Radeon software package that we call Rage Mode. Now, Rage Mode automatically takes advantage of the overclocking headroom built into your GPU to give you every bit of performance it has to offer. And the second is made possible because of the fact that only AMD can deliver both high-performance processors and high-performance GPUs. We call this new feature AMD Smart Access Memory. AMD Smart Access Memory unlocks the greater amount of high-speed memory from the AMD Radeon RX 6000 series graphics cards to the AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors, and it delivers additional levels of performance in games. Simply pair these components with our 500 series chipset motherboards, enable the setting in the BIOS, and the performance uplift becomes automatic. When you combine AMD Smart Access Memory with the one-click overclocking of Rage Mode, you'll get a boost in performance in many of the games you love. We're seeing up to a 13% performance increase, and that's before game developers begin to optimize for this new capability. Now, we know a lot of you absolutely love frames per second performance just like us. However, we can also improve the game experience by reducing latency. The differences of milliseconds of latency in a competitive game can be the difference between a major win and a major loss. Last year, we pushed the industry to recognize there was a better way to provide competitive gamers with less latency from mouse click to the screen, giving competitive gamers who own the RX 5000 series a serious leg up on their competition. Today, we are pushing the boundaries again and further reducing latency in competitive games for even better results. Combining the latest implementation of Radeon anti-lag with the FreeSync monitor can reduce lag in your DX9 and in your DX11 games. In Fortnite, for example, gamers can realize up to 8 milliseconds of latency reduction by simply enabling this feature in Radeon software. More recently, we introduced Radeon Boost, a unique feature that's a step beyond anti-lag. For select games, Radeon Boost offers dynamic resolution in response to your mouse or controller inputs, leading to higher frame rates and, as a result, quicker responses to your input. Both Radeon Anti-Lag and Radeon Boost can be enabled via the Radeon software that comes with your graphics cards, and neither of them require a proprietary API or a game integration to provide latency-reducing benefits. As you can see, the combination of these technologies can contribute up to 37% latency reduction in highly competitive games like Fortnite running at 4K. Now, performance is king, but let's talk for a minute about how we are improving the visual experience as well. With full hardware support for DX12 Ultimate, the Radeon RX 6000 series is ready to enable ray tracing and variable rate shading in upcoming titles. We've also expanded our library of Fidelity FX features to work hand in hand with ray tracing, compute, and shader effects to enable the higher level of visual fidelity while ensuring high frame rates. For DX12 Ultimate, we've added an optimized denoiser for ray tracing effects and a variable rate shading algorithm that can adapt image quality based upon luminance and motion. We've also added a suite of compute-based effects to be used alongside ray tracing, like optimized screen space reflections and an optimized ambient occlusion. We're always looking to help developers with new initiatives and are already working on a super resolution feature to give gamers an option for more performance when using ray tracing. As of today, our AMD Fidelity FX supported games list has grown to 35 titles using a variety of our features. So let's take a look at some of these new features in an upcoming game with never-before-seen footage from Counterplay Studios and their fantastic game, Godfall. Godfall is a brand new third-person perspective, next-generation looter slasher that challenges gamers to engage in high-impact melee combat as they hunt for loot, equip legendary armor, and defeat vicious enemies. Leveraging the latest DirectX 12 Ultimate API, Godfall features DirectX ray tracing, variable rate shading, and supports Fidelity FX CAS to deliver incredible levels of stunning fidelity. I personally can't wait to play this game, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, let's hear from a few more of our game developer partners about the work they've done with us on RDNA 2 and what you can expect in their games coming soon.
I'm here to talk about Far Cry 6 and some of the new technologies we've been collaborating with AMD on to make our game the most immersive and beautiful Far Cry ever. We've been working together to take full advantage of the new Radeon RX 6000 series and RDNA 2 architecture for best possible experience. We've been very impressed by AMD's latest tech and joined forces to bring Fidelity FX CAS, DXR ray tracing, and variable rate shading to Far Cry 6.
We're using VRS Tier 2 to use a compute shader to generate a control texture which analyzes the luminance and gives us control at an 8x8 tile level as to what shader rate we're going to be using. This enables us to render much more quickly but keep the same quality level.
We're excited to team up with great partners like AMD to bring some new features to World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft is built on a custom engine using the DirectX 12 Ultimate API. Another great feature on the RX 6000 is DXR ray tracing. Here you can see ray tracing evident in how the shadows are interacting with your character. What you're seeing involves incredibly complex computations on the RX 6000. This is a level of realism that hasn't been possible until recently.
The RDNA 2 architecture and the Radeon 6000 series allowed us to introduce some of the latest DirectX 12 Ultimate technologies into our engine. Real-time ray-traced shadows allow us to introduce additional shadow casting lights into the scene that provide much more immersion and detail into the world.
Over the next few weeks, developers of these incredible games will show never-before-seen gameplay with gorgeous graphics that use a combination of ray tracing and fidelity effects running on the Radeon RX 6000 series graphics cards. Be sure to check out AMD.com starting tomorrow to see more. I'm happy to announce that the Radeon RX 6800 XT will be available on November 18th, starting at $649. But we are not done yet. Today, we are also announcing the Radeon RX 6800 with 60 compute units, a 1.815 gigahertz game clock with a boost clock of over 2.1 gigahertz. It will feature the same 128 megabytes of Infinity cache and be available with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory with a board power of just 250 watts. The Radeon RX 6800 is a fantastic entry into 4K gaming, delivering more performance than the 2080 Ti, which was launched at $999. The 6800 delivers over 60 frames per second in all of these games, giving you the confidence you need to step into the 4K gaming experience. That same great performance extends to 1440p resolution, where the RX 6800 tears through the latest games, delivering about 18% more performance than the 2080 Ti on average. The Radeon RX 6800 will be available to gamers starting at a price of $579 on November 18th. Now, let's bring back Lisa to wrap things up.
Thanks, Scott and Laura. The AMD Radeon 6800 XT and 6800 deliver simply incredible 4K and 1440p gaming experiences. This is the power of RDNA 2. And once we add the smart access memory technology, gamers can even get higher frames per second when pairing Radeon 6000 GPUs with Ryzen 5000 series. Now, I saw online that some of you were wondering which big Navi product we previewed during our Ryzen 5000 launch earlier this month. For the record, that was the 6800 XT. But you know, we always save the best for last, and I always get the most fun jobs. So today, that means I have one more GPU to show you. We didn't stop with the Radeon RX 6800 XT. We knew that the RDNA 2 architecture could give gamers even more. I'm so excited to share with you for the very first time the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT. Now, isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? And you'll see that it's actually relatively compact for all the performance that it delivers. It's actually the same size as our 6800 XT card. Our top-of-the-stack Radeon GPU is built for the ultimate in 4K gaming performance. The 6900 XT combines 80 compute units with a 2.25 GHz boost clock to deliver even more performance at the highest settings. With 16 gigabytes of graphics memory, the 6900 XT is ready for the most demanding next-gen games. And with the power efficiency of RDNA 2, we've been able to deliver all of this with a total board power of 300 watts. Now, Laura showed you that we achieved a 54% generational improvement in perf per watt with the 6800 XT. With the 6900 XT, we improved things even more, hitting 65% more performance per watt over first-gen RDNA. I'm so proud of our engineers who worked incredibly hard to optimize every aspect of RDNA 2 to achieve this performance. Now let's see how all of this translates to gaming performance. Running at 4K with the highest settings, the 6900 XT looks absolutely fantastic. It's extremely competitive across the board, consistently delivering high frame rates in your favorite games. Just take a look at the performance we see against the competition in Battlefield 5, Call of Duty, and Gears of War 5. All of this is at lower power with a smaller card form factor. Now, let's talk about price and availability. The AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT will be available on December 8th, starting at $999. You asked for AMD to bring the highest graphics performance to the gaming market, and we're doing just that. I hope you now feel that with the Ryzen 5000 series and the Radeon 6000 series, AMD is your best choice for your next generation PC gaming platform. Whether you want a game with ultimate performance in AAA titles at 4K resolution, or you're an esports fan who needs incredibly high frame rates and responsiveness, across the board, for every gamer, at every price, AMD has the CPU and GPU combination for you. So I hope you're as excited as we are. We can't wait to get these products in your hands. So look for the Ryzen 5000 series starting November 5th, the Radeon RX 6800 series starting November 18th, and the Radeon RX 6900 XT starting December 8th. To wrap up here, this has been quite a journey for us. And I'm incredibly proud of our CPU and GPU teams who have worked years for this moment. AMD is delivering the best to the industry. We want to thank all of you for your passion and enthusiasm and for always pushing us to be the best.
Okay, I didn't expect that. I was like, what? Okay, so of course everybody still needs to like wait until they get actually tested by every tester on the internet or everything. But those are some promising results. Like it's way cheaper. It like consumes less power than the NVIDIA counterparts. Like it's cheaper, it's faster, and like it's smaller even. It consumes less power. Like they just thought of everything. What's up, Voodoo? So Cube, what are your options on this? I'm definitely not gonna get the 6900T. That's too expensive for me. Even the 6800 is still expensive for me. I was like looking to see if they're going to have like a lower version, 67 or 66. And see like how much it's gonna cost. Probably that's gonna come like later on. But they're way cheaper. Like the 6900T was supposed to be the competitor for 3090, and 3090 is like $1,200 or $1,500, and they're only selling theirs for $999. It's like $200 cheaper. And the 6800 is being sold at $689, and the competitor, which is 3080, is being sold at around $899, I think. $899. So like it's $210 cheaper than their competitor. Like it's stronger, it's cheaper, and it consumes less electricity or like power consumption. So like, why else would you buy an NVIDIA card if you could buy it for cheaper using like AMD? Big Brain, how's it going, Q? What's up, Waterworks? I'm doing okay. Let's go and activate the music. Anyways, yeah, this is also going to be like a test stream. I was testing if like I could actually stream, because I've been trying my to figure out. I've been trying to figure out how to fix my PC, but finally, I guess it started working. Did anybody like experience lag or issues during the stream, like sound? Like, is there like some electronic sound or something that happened? Any glitches that you found? Was that a PC or just a card? It's just a video card. Just a video card. But it's way cheaper than what NVIDIA is like giving out. And it's more powerful, which is interesting. But again, this is just their own side. You have to wait for the others, like for the actual tests from different YouTubers. I'm not a tech YouTuber, but if you guys are watching some tech YouTubers like I do, I would suggest Linus, of course, Hardware Unbox. There's a bunch of them as well, like Jace 2 Cents. Those guys, you should wait for their individual testing to see like if they really are the actual numbers that AMD is saying. If they really beat and they really consume less power than what do you call this, NVIDIA. Those pieces are like my whole budget. I know. That's why I'm waiting for those cheaper ones, because there will be cheaper ones just like the 3070. I think they're going to be launched. They're already launched, I think. I'm not sure. But they're supposed to be 3060s, 3050s, and then the 6600s, 6500s, 6700s as well. And we'll see what the price are. They probably will be around $300, $200, which is a little bit more affordable. I mean, like, it's still expensive. Even for me, it's still expensive, but it's a little bit more affordable than the other cards. But I am definitely looking to upgrade, so I'm just waiting for them to test it out. Once they get released, it's going to be released on November, like halfway on November. So I'm going to wait for them to like test it out before I decide like what am I going to finally buy. Am I going to buy an NVIDIA card or an AMD card? Because if the numbers are actually real, then probably AMD is the way to go. I'm not sure. Anyways, if you guys want to join, we could play some. I want to continue testing out to see like if I could like maintain graphics, maintain connection, and also maintain my temperature on my computer. Now, I've been disconnecting for a few times on my LAN, so something seems to be wrong with my LAN cable. So right now I'm playing on Wi-Fi. The desktop computer playing on Wi-Fi. Which is so weird. I'm not playing through wired LAN anymore on my computer. This is not a laptop, okay? It's a desktop computer, and and I'm streaming it using Wi-Fi, which is not supposed to be. But I found out that the wire had some problems. I kept getting disconnected in games for some reason. Hold up. Just turn on some. Here's here. Goes to output. Live doc chat for the fights that I'm having. I can't see here. Check it out. Will sound okay. I play using Wi-Fi. What's up, Rukia? You play Wi-Fi on PC or is that a laptop? Because I'm not using a laptop, but I'm playing it on low latency mode. There we go. Low latency. What else? Just checking out the show. Where's my bitrate? Why is it not shown? It's supposed to show. Okay, there we go. This drop frame. There we go. Okay, fine. Let's go. So if you guys want to join, I don't know if the bot is working on this one. I'm not sure if I set it up. Oh god, I thought it disconnected again. I saw this person just running around. Okay, let's go and farm some stuff. Oh yeah, good news by the way. I've been running a few dungeons and check what I got. I got the armors. I finally got the samurai and then the demon lord. Oh wait, I already had the demon lord. Where was that? Winter Wonder, Inventor, Cursed Shipwright. So I had like a couple cosmetics. There we go. See that? I got that from Underworld. So I feel like, I don't know, for some reason it gave me like more chances of dropping like a cosmetic. So I've been doing it on different maps. So right now I probably will be doing a another different map. It's going to be let's see, create Pirate Island because I still don't have this. So I'm gonna run on Pirate Island if you guys want to join. Sure, Kamzi. Big hacks, just one. I just need one more map cosmetic. Me join later. What's up, Mark? Me feeling horrible. Rip me. I was there for Samurai yesterday. Yeah, you were there. I need Pirate Island stuff for my alt. You should join then. Do Punk Sewers. I already have the Punk Sewers, I think. Do I have it? If I don't have it, I probably will run it later because I want to get rid of all the lower dungeons except for I don't know, Desert Temple. I sort of don't want to run Desert Temple. Anyways, let's go and start. If you guys want to join me on the next lobby because I will be starting right now. Hey, how does the mic sound? I have no dungeon cosmetic. Wait, you need to get one. At least 3 actually. You need to get 3 dungeon cosmetics. Bruh, I'm sorry, Mark. I just read what you said. The mic is good. Okay, so mic levels are working good. There's no staticky sound. Background music, hopefully they're not staticky as well because I can't hear them. Okay. I want to see if, like how much temperature is my GPU going to be creating. But yeah, definitely I'm gonna have to upgrade my GPU soon. I'm gonna like try to save up for that. I probably will make that like the dono goal at some point. I need to upgrade GPU because this is like a very old GPU. I'm not sure about my processor. My processor seems okay still. I could still like produce stuff. But yeah, the video card, since I'm streaming on different platforms, I really need to have like a higher resolution thing. I'm still waiting for your Halloween theme. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that because I already got my computer working and it seems like it's ready to stream. So I'm gonna be editing some images to make for the sweater. Because I was gonna make one, but then I thought, okay, I need to fix my computer first so I could edit some images and make it Halloween themed. And then upload a Halloween sweater for that. And then I'll move my merch probably on Streamlabs. Because they have a cap on Streamlabs, they don't have it on Stream Elements. So I'll move my merch on to Streamlabs. If ever. Okay, somebody commented on the video upload that I made before, and they said that there was supposed to be a, what do you call this? Higher loot, candy loot on higher dungeons, and they tested it, and then I tested it for myself, and it's still the same. I still got 10. I don't know if like what they meant by like they got more. Is there like a higher max on higher dungeons? I feel like it's not. It's still the same. Yeah, it's still the same. But I wish they adjusted it so like more people would actually run higher dungeons. But I guess this is a good thing as well because you get to carry people while you're farming candies. So yeah, like this one, Savage Boy wouldn't have been able to run on the dungeon that he wanted to. Oh, let's go. I didn't get anything good though. I got a purple, but I don't think it's good. But yeah, dang, 6,900. If you guys had the money, what would you spend it on? I got a leg. I'm Savage Boy. Dang, Rukia. Probably 69. Okay, hold on. I probably will go with the 68. Or maybe I'll go with the RTX 3090. Because the thing about it is that AMD doesn't have AI. They don't have AI on their cards. I mean, they're powerful cards. They're going to give you like higher frame rates on games, but they don't have AI, especially if you're a streamer or content creator. Like the AI functionality of NVIDIA, I think it's really helpful. Like the DLSS. They also have like auto noise filter, so you don't have to buy an expensive microphone when you're streaming. You just need to get an RTX card from NVIDIA, and you already have those AR cores, which is going to help you on your stream. They're like the AI is gonna automatically detect the noise on your background, and then it's gonna figure it out, and then it's gonna like eliminate it from your audio. So that's really good for streamers. They eliminate the sound. You don't have to buy you only have to buy a video card. That's why it's so expensive, and you don't have to buy anything else for your microphone, your camera, and stuff. Like the video card AI or the NVIDIA AI is going to handle everything else. You can almost get the ghost cosmetic. Yep, I'm almost there. That's the first thing I'm gonna buy. After, can I get carry? Probably when I reach, I start reaching the dungeon that you're in. That face makes everybody bow. I've been carrying noobs for days. Yeah, if this wasn't the event, then you wouldn't be carrying them. I'm getting Reaper. I'm gonna get Reaper as well, although I want to buy the most expensive one that I wanted first. I was just... How? I've been blabbering for so long. Why? Wait, try to lower your settings so you can join faster. Okay, so far so good, because we were playing yesterday with Olap and the others, and I was disconnecting during the dungeons. I don't know if Waterworks was there when I was disconnecting, but Waterworks was running with me as well. But yeah, I was disconnecting so bad. I might relaunch. Seems like it's working good. I might relaunch in a little bit, but it's going to be on the main channel. We want weapons, Ghost, and Reaper. Me too. Lazy. Yep. Only if we could do this AFK. The only problem is I can't even auto join. I need to manually join. If there's a way to AFK, get somebody to carry me without me having to join manually. You disconnected every round. Yep, I disconnected a lot. But so far I'm running on streaming on Wi-Fi. So far so good. I'm dipping on the requirement of the stream bits or bytes I need, but seems like it's not lagging. Is it lagging for you guys? Just tell me if you experience some stutters. Yeah, but I don't have a weapon cosmetic yet, so I'm getting one. Yep. I think I'll show you guys the other one. Somebody got the weapon cosmetic, the Great Sword, and it looked really good. It looked way better. Well, not really super duper good, but it looked way better than it actually looked like on the shop. So there's some neon lights happening, and there's some shadow trails that it had. Cube, read my last chat. I can't. Wait, Cube, I have the Witch, the Reaper, the Evil. Oh my god, you play so much. I got triple gray, even on lower dungeons. Oh, I got the pirate. I'm telling you guys, for some reason, I'm getting so lucky on cosmetic drop rates on this event. Now, that's my third cosmetic from dungeons. My third cosmetic from dungeons, and I don't even run a lot. You guys know how much I've been online lately on Dungeon Quest. I don't run a lot, and I just got another cosmetic. What? That's my third one since the update. So you guys should try it out. Try to look for the cosmetics on the dungeons that you want. That's my third one. That is insane. My luck is finally reversed. Let's go and get my daily. I haven't claimed my daily yet. That means there's no early bird giveaway on no, never mind. I'm gonna save it for early bird if ever I start streaming. I want to try my luck out, but I probably save it for the daily bird. Okay, now we can move on. Should I go desert? I don't know if I should go desert. Nobody really wants desert anymore. So I already got Winter, Pirate, Kings. Oh, I don't have Kings, so we could go and do Kings. Cube is going to get Legend Spell. I want to see. You're like, okay, let's go and check it out. Okay, yeah, I muted for a while. Okay, I'm gonna claim my daily. You guys want me to claim my daily? Let's see how much luck I get. I just got a cosmetic. Okay, let's go and boom. Ah, it's still trash. Never mind. My luck is still trash. Okay, let's go. Try it out. Very hot coffee, level 192. He's rank 55. What's the highest level right now? Everybody just stopped. 202. Everybody's almost 200. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many weeks has it been? There's just 7 people in 200? Wow. That is a lot. Wow. Okay, what's the lowest right now? If we wanted to get in, we need to be level 191. Level 191, that would like assure your spot on the rankings. Because if you're 190, there's like a bunch more 190 down below. So like, you need to be at least level 191 to get into the ranking boards. Like to make it sure that you're in the rankings. But that is going to be a lot of grinding. I'm like, how much? 12 levels away? That's impossible for me unless I spend. Okay, let's go. Just a couple more runs and I probably would be ending the stream, but so far so good. So maybe we could start streaming tomorrow again, and then I'll be editing probably tonight. But I did lose a lot because I've been like trying to reformat and trying to figure out if there was some stuff that was like, causing my computer to like lag. But yeah, I definitely like deleted a bunch of stuff, so I have to start over. I used all my luck for that legendary. I feel like the XP boost was just to get more Robux. I think so, yeah. The XP boost, especially the rankings, because like now people are gonna see the rankings and they're so close. They see that, oh, I'm so close to getting into the rankings. Maybe I should buy the boost. So like it motivates people to buy, even like to use their Robux on the game. I mean, I don't mind it, but I don't like it to be pay to win. Like motivate them to get using the cosmetics. That was already okay. It doesn't give a huge advantage on the game, but XP boost, really? Oh yeah, I got the winter cosmetic. Dang! I used all my luck on my winter cosmetic this week. Really? Why no? The stream! What do you mean? Thank you for following, Dark Hatem. Can you do Ghastly or SS? I'll see. I'm trying to take all the cosmetic. I got 3 cosmetics. Like my luck is insane. I got 3 dungeon cosmetics. In just like not even 100 dungeons, I got 3 cosmetics. So I suggest you guys start farming for it, man. See, maybe you guys are gonna be lucky as I had. I bet cosmetic this run. Yup. I don't know. Maybe I would get one. Let's see. Read game chat. Oh, the dodge competition. No, my luck too bad. Oh yeah, Glade was the one who won on this one. The dodge competition on this one. We had veterans that joined the competition or the dodge challenge. But Glade was the one that won. They were saying lags and stuff though, but it could probably be lags as well. Anyways, this might be the last run, so I will be back tomorrow. Okay, like in a few hours. Not really tomorrow. Tomorrow for me, but to you guys, maybe it's tonight. But yeah, I just wanted to watch that video and then like see how you guys think about it. Do I have cosmetic for the end of the stream? Cosmetic, nothing. Oh, somebody got it. Mark got it. He got the cosmetic. My gosh. I just got here. Why not grind winter or a desert? I wanted to make it fun and I wanted to like make it multi-purpose. So I wanted to get like something from different dungeons because I'm still trying to get all the dungeon cosmetics. But anyway, you guys can join me. I'll be on Discord. I'm just going to like get a few snacks and then I'll be back. But it's not going to be on stream. It's just going to be on Discord. You guys can still play with me, okay? So join the Discord, type exclamation Discord. I think the bots are still working. I'm not sure, but just try it out. I'm grinding kings. Oh, no cosmetics, sadly. But I'm going to get it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it. I already got like 3 cosmetics so far. In less than 100 runs. Just because of this update for some reason. They forgot to nerf my drop rate. I got some samurai, I got demon lord, pirate captain, and that's it. You look at my cosmetic. Let me check. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, one more run. One more run. I'm almost at the ghost. I want to get the ghost. Are we going to watch Zeus again? We could probably watch Zeus. It's not Zeus. It's Bloodline of Zeus, I think, or Zeus Bloodline. Okay, let's go do one more. Because I really want to get that ghost cosmetic. Alright, turn up. Maybe they have 2x cosmetic drop it. Maybe they probably like forgot to like it's probably a ninja patch. I'm Ahmed. What's up, Ahmed? What's up, my dude? Zeus Bay. Yeah, noob. It's not for kids though. I just realized it's not for kids. So if you're gonna watch that, you have to be aware that there's blood and stuff and cutting bodies. I didn't even expect that that was gonna be there. I thought it was just like some anime based on Zeus's life. But no. They're like, oh gosh, the bodies. You need anybody for me to carry? Well, you could just ask them to ping on the support and see if somebody needs carries. Okay, let's go and start. Alright, where are your cosmetics? Dang, look at that sword. I like the aura though. Why didn't they put any aura on the cosmetics here? There's no aura. I just realized they didn't put any aura. Anyways, let's go. Okay. If you read the books, you would know. Wait, which books? Books for what? The evil Beastmaster is ugly to me. Nah, it looks cool. Are you gonna be on voice chat? I mean, if we're gonna watch the movie, I probably will not be on voice chat. I mean, it's gonna be on VC because I'm gonna be the movie, but I might not be talking because we're gonna be watching the movie. I only got one leg. What? One legendary or one leg? You look at my cosmetic after this game. Okay. If you can get ghost after this. Yep, after this run is definitely gonna be ghost. So who knows? I might get something said that. Stop! Man, that's gonna be expensive though. How am I gonna get that? Like $300? I mean $600. Ever I'm gonna get one of the higher cards that they have, it's probably going to be the 600. I was hoping there was gonna be 6700, but yeah, the 800. Okay. Yep, how much do you make off IRL merge? It's not a lot because I only like put. It's usually like it's almost cost. It's not a lot, so I only put like minimal. Especially right now, it's like all probably $1 or 5. I still didn't get the cosmetic, but I did have candies, so I'm gonna be able to get that now. Finally see Cube's true form. Oh god. People are getting legendaries. I know, why are people getting legendaries? The drop rates are increased. Is this like some sort of ninja patch? What do you guys think? Is this like some ninja patch? Meaning like it's a secret secret update that they didn't notify, or probably accidental update. Didn't edit like how much percentage you actually lose. Anyways, let's go and get that evil ghost blanket. Boom. Cosmetic unlock. Oh, you also get the title? Get a blanket ghost title? Or no? Okay, never mind. I thought we get it. Okay, so don't get it, but we definitely will have ghost armor blanket. Yeah, ghost blanket Casper. Now we need like a hat to pair it with and some tail. So what weapon would go good with this? Face bat, Halloween text. Only for sale. They didn't include any, sadly. Where's Waterworks? Wait, where's Wade? Check out. Yeah. Where's your cosmetic? Isn't that the old one? Old one that they gave? That's a super old cosmetic. Dang. I didn't believe you had it. If you know that Scott cosmetic is from Team Fortress, I didn't know. What? Where's the Scott cosmetic? Scott. Okay, my next goal is this one, the Reaper, because it also looks good. It's floating. It is floating. There is no legs. Probably will get that and all the other lower ones. Then I'll start working for the higher titles and stuff after. Okay, I'm gonna join voice chat. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you guys for joining. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are from. I'll be streaming again later on, and I'll see how it goes. But if you guys want to play with us, I'll be on voice chat on Discord, and I will be playing the Netflix movie or the series. It's just a few episodes left anyway. It's but it's bloody, okay? So make sure that you are allowed to watch stuff like that before you actually watch with us. Like the cosmetic cube. Wait, what did you get? Where's Bassi? Oh, dude. You actually got it. You grinder. You got every legendary one. How much runs did you do? Did you get the devilish title? Oh, you don't have the devilish title. You get the devilish. Devilish. Oh, there's no golden legendary weapon. So only this one. Probably will get this. I don't know. Pumpkin head. We'll see. This is not the main channel. This is the this is not the main channel. This is the old channel. I mean, this is not the old channel. This is the second channel. Because I streamed NVIDIA. I mean, not NVIDIA, but AMD presentation of their new cards. So, and I was also testing to see if the stream is gonna be okay, if there are gonna be lags and stuff like that. Yeah. It is the old and legendary. Dang it. Anyways, thank you guys for joining, and see you guys on Discord. Just type in exclamation Discord if you want to join the Discord, or join me later on tomorrow's stream. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. In Batman, Dark Hatem, oh my god, Tyler. Who else subscribed? I don't have notifications here, but thank you so much for those who followed. OMG, Tyler, Dark Hate, and Batman. Batman subscribed. I mean, Batman followed. I have a gift. What is the gift? Cube, I have a gift. Accept. Okay. By the way, if you guys need carries, Glade is open to carry. He plays a lot. Yeah, he can help you guys, okay? So DM Glade if you guys are on the Discord. I think Rukia needs some carries. Rukia is like at 120 plus, so if you're free to carry him, then maybe you guys could carry him. So yeah, contact Glade, that's his username. If you're here in the game, message him right now, that's him, Glade. Thank you so much, Waterworks, for that one. I need Amethyst Blast, Cube, trade me, I need it. Why don't you have Amethyst Blast? Here you go. Okay, Amethyst Blast, Amethyst, there you go. Anyways, I don't have any extra on this. I wasn't really planning on playing. It was just test streaming. And like, well, I really wanted to watch the AMD thing. Anyways, it's Easy Gamer. I'm signing out. Thank you guys for joining. Bye bye. Peace and have fun and take it easy, guys. Bye bye.